Welcome to Let's Be Greedy, your go-to source for the latest in crypto. I'm Greed, here to feed your insatiable hunger for digital gold. And boy, do we have a buffet of stories for you today. First up, former President Donald Trump is apparently jumping headfirst into the crypto pool. At the World Economic Forum, he announced a bold plan to make the US the global hub for cryptocurrency. And just when you thought it couldn't get more Trump-like, he unveiled his very own digital currency, Trump coins. Yes, folks, the man whose name is already on buildings, stakes, and ties now has a coin. The initiative aims to boost investor confidence in the US crypto market. But let's be real, this is Trump. You know it'll be bigger, better, and with gold-plated blockchain somewhere. Trump's newfound love for crypto seems to have rubbed off on Wall Street. Major financial institutions are now turning their gaze back to cryptocurrencies like a kid discovering a $20 bill in an old jacket. Why the sudden interest? They're betting on a regulatory makeover under Trump's administration. Top bank execs are practically salivating over the prospect of looser restrictions, smoother trading systems, and fewer SEC tantrums. It's like Wall Street is at an all-you-can-eat buffet, and crypto's the main course. But let's not get carried away. Regulations could still come with some fine print. Banks don't do charity, and their involvement isn't out of love for decentralized ideals. That said, if Wall Street is ready to play ball, this could be a massive leap for crypto's mainstream acceptance. Meanwhile, over in India, the government's cracking down harder than a toddler on a cookie jar. The enforcement director at ED has frozen assets worth a staggering $60 million tied to the HPZ Token scam. This elaborate con allegedly swindled investors out of a jaw-dropping $260 million. Yep, the scam was that big. The ED isn't stopping there. They're investigating payment gateways that helped grease the wheels of this fraud. It's a reminder that the crypto world isn't all rainbows and moonshots. There's a lot of shady business lurking in the shadows. So here's a free tip. If someone promises you 100x returns overnight, just run. Scammers don't want to make you rich. They want to make themselves rich with your money. Stay vigilant, folks. Speaking of shiny new things, let's talk about the SPACEWAR Token, aka Space. No, it's not a Hollywood blockbuster, but it might as well be with all the buzz it's generating. This token is making waves in the gaming and entertainment sectors, aiming to fuse blockchain with fun, and early investors are eating it up like popcorn at a premiere. With a pitch like that, it's easy to see why people are jumping on board. But remember, the more hype, the higher the risk. The gaming industry is booming, sure, but not every rocket reaches orbit. So if you're thinking about investing in space, make sure you're not gambling your rent money. It might be the next big thing, or it might just burn up on re-entry. You decide. Now let's shift gears to Ethereum, the undisputed workhorse of the crypto world, which is flexing its muscles once again. The Shanghai upgrade just dropped, and it's like Ethereum got a turbo boost. Transactions are faster, gas fees are lower, and developers are grinning from ear to ear. Why? Because cheaper fees mean more people using Ethereum-based apps, from DeFi platforms to NFTs. And when more people jump in, Ethereum's value climbs higher than your stress levels on tax day. Analysts are already predicting that this upgrade could spark a new wave of adoption. So whether you're minting digital art or staking your ETH, this upgrade is set to make Ethereum an even bigger player in the crypto game. It's like watching a star athlete hit their prime. Pure magic. Meanwhile, across the pond, Europe is busy rewriting the crypto rulebook. The European Union is rolling out comprehensive legislation aimed at regulating cryptocurrency exchanges and stablecoins. Translation? They want to tame the Wild West of crypto while keeping it investor-friendly. The focus here is on consumer protection and transparency, which sounds great, but let's be honest, no one likes more paperwork. Still, this framework could set the gold standard for global crypto regulations. If Europe gets this right, it could nudge other regions to follow suit. But as always, the devil's in the details. Will these rules stifle innovation or create a safer space for investors? Only time will tell. For now, it's a reminder that the crypto world isn't just a playground, it's starting to grow up. Rules and all.